scholars. Welcome back. Today we are going to start with a new topic. So let's start. Students, in the last session we have completed story sums, right? Today we are going to start page number 93. Let's practice. But before that, let us revise it. Do you all remember that we add and subtract starting with the digits in the ones place, right? Now let's start with the exercise. Add the following by regrouping. Hundred, tens, ones. So the question is 8 in tens column, 6 in ones column. It becomes 86. Plus 4 in tens column, 5 in ones column. So let's start with the ones column first. 6 plus 5. So 6 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. So what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5, we get the number 11. So we will write 1 in ones column and the carryover in the tens column. Fine. Now look at the tens column. The numbers are 1, 8 and 4. So 1 plus 8. So 1 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. What comes after 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we get the answer 13. We will write 3 in tens column and the carryover in the hundreds column. Now we will copy the same number because in 100 column there is no number to add. So we will write this number 1 as it is. So 86 plus 45, we get the answer 131. Now let us move to the next question. Hundred, tens, ones. In the tens column, we get the number 5 and in ones column the number is 7. It becomes 57 plus 6 in tens column and ones column it is 3. So number becomes 63. Let us start with the ones column. 7 plus 3. So 7 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3, we get the answer 10. So 0 in ones column and 1 is the carryover. Now in the tens column, 1 plus 5. So 1 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get the answer 12. So 2 in the tens column and 1, that's a carryover, will be in hundreds column. As you all can see, here also there is no number. We will copy the same number, that's 1. So 57 plus 63, you get the answer 120. Now let us move to the next slide. Subtract the following. So the question is 100, tens, ones. 478 minus 239 35. We will start with the ones column. 8 minus 5, right? So open your 5 fingers. It's a subtraction, so backward counting. Here the number is 8. What comes before 8? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 8 minus 5, you get the answer 3, right? Now we will move to the tens column. 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3, so you will open 3 fingers. What comes before 7? 6, 5, 4. So 7 minus 3, you will get the answer 4. Now let's move to the hundreds column. 4 minus 2. Can you see here? 4 minus 2. So open your 2 fingers. Here the number is 4. We have to do subtraction. So backward counting. 3, 2. So 4 minus 2, you get the answer 2. Right? So 478 minus 235, you get the answer 243. Now let's move to the next question. 100, tens, ones. 345 minus 124. Now we will start with the ones column. 5 minus 4. Open your 4 fingers. Now 5 minus 4. When we open our 4 fingers, we'll start with the backward counting. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minus 4, you get the answer 1. Now once we have done, we will move to the tens column. 4 minus 2. So open your 2 fingers. Three, 2. So already the answer is there. 4 minus 2, you get the answer 2, right? Now let's move to the hundreds column. 3 minus 1. Open your 1 finger. What comes before 3? 2, right? 3 minus 1, you get the answer 2. Okay, so 345 minus 124, you get the answer 221, right? Now let's move to the next slide. Subtract the following. 100, tens, ones. 999 minus 635. Okay, now we'll start with the ones column. 9 minus 5. Open your 5 fingers. Let's start with the backward counting. Here the number is 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 9 minus 5, you get the answer 4. Now we will move to the tens column. 9 minus 3. So open your 3 fingers. 9 is there. 8, 7, 6. So 9 minus 3, you get the answer 6, right? Now let's move to the hundreds column. 9 minus 6. We have opened 6 fingers. So let's start. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 9 minus 6, you get the answer 3. So 999 minus 635, you get the answer 364. Now let's look at the next one. 100, tens, ones. 136 minus 120. Now look at the ones column. 6 minus 0. Right? So 6 minus 0. We are subtracting a number with 0. So we will get the same answer, that is 6. Right? So 6 minus 0, you will get the same number, 6. Now let's move to the tens column. 3 minus 2. So open your two fingers and let's do the backward counting. 2, 1. So 3 minus 2, you get the number 1. Now let's move to the hundreds column. 1 minus 1. If you look here, both the numbers are same. When you subtract both the numbers same, you get the answer 0. Like 5 minus 5, you will get 0. 4 minus 4, 3 minus 3. Both the numbers are same, right? So you get the answer 0. Now let's move to the next slide. Solve. 400 plus 123. Students, you have to write the numbers properly under the correct column. 100, tens, ones. So 400 it is, 4 in hundreds column, 0 in tens column, and 0, one more is there, that will be in ones column. Plus 1 in hundreds column, 2 in tens column, and 3 in ones column. Now we'll start with the ones column. 0 plus 3. If you add any number to 0, you will get the same answer. So 0 plus 3, you will get the answer 3. Right? See, 1, 2, 3. So 0 plus 3, you get the same answer, that's a 3. Now let's move to the tens column. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, you will get the same answer because we are adding the number to 0. So you will get the same answer, that's 2. Now let's move to the hundreds column. 4 plus 1. So what comes after 4? 4 plus 1, that's correct answer, 5. Okay, so 400 plus 123, you get the answer 523. Now let's move to the next slide. Solve 230 minus 100. So let's write in the table form. 100, tens, ones. Now we have to write the numbers properly under the correct column. So 2 in hundreds column, 3 in tens column, and 0 in ones column. Minus, here it is minus. 1 in hundreds column, 0 in tens column, and one more 0 is there, that will be in ones column. So it becomes 100. Now let's start with the ones column. 0 minus 0, you get the answer same, that's a 0. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0, 3, right? See, 1, 2, 3. Here the number is 0. So 3 minus 0, you will get the same answer, that is 3. Now we will move to the hundreds column. 2 minus 1. So it's a backward counting. We are doing subtraction. 2 minus 1. You will get answer 1. So 230 minus 100. You get the answer 130. So students, we have done today let us practice and we have completed this chapter. Thank you.